Welcome to the channel. Right here working on a GLS. It's a 2022. We're going to reset our oil service light. It's saying service B1 is due. So what you do, you just turn off the car, make sure the car is all the way off, and then next you just tap it once, just like that, and then make sure everything comes like that, and then you start showing right over there that service B1 is due. So what you do is you just press in the middle right here, right like that, and then once that is done right there, you come like this, and then you scroll, make sure this, you see these two things that come on top right there, left and right. Make sure it's in the middle like that. Make sure the mileage is, so if it's something else like that, you keep scrolling up until you come to the mileage right over there. So what you do next, you just hold these two, see my hands here, you hold this, and then you just tap in the middle like that, and then you just come home, and then you just go all the way to workshop mode. So workshop mode will show up right there. You click on it, and then once you click on it, you just scroll down, you come to Assyst Plus right there, you click in the center, you come down, you say full service, you click full service, and then you can come to confirm service right over there, and you say confirm service, and then ask you for the grade. So I use that grade right there, so I put OK, and then you say yes, and then this one cannot be undone, so you have to make sure you confirm it just like that. So press like that, and then you say full service carried out. So this thing is going to go away, which you see right over there. So once that's done, you can now turn off the car, and then you can start it afresh. So that was service B1. So now service A is into 65 days.